Hi everyone, welcome to Little Green Thumbs. I am Megan and I work for the Community Library Network. Today we are going to make compost cups, and then after we will plant some sunflower seeds. So each of you this week, if you are interested, can come by any of our libraries and pick up a grab and go kit for Little Green Thumbs. This grab and go kit will include everything you need for the compost cup and the flowers that we'll plant together during this month of June. So I am so happy that you guys are here. Let's get started. Here we have everything to make our compost cup. This is a 1/4 cup of dirt dug up straight from the front yard. These are grass clippings, also from the front yard. A teaspoon of water, which will go in last. And these are coffee grounds. If you have any sort of organic kitchen scraps, please put them into your compost cups. This includes things like coffee grounds, banana peels, dinner scraps. Nothing meat or dairy can go into your cup, but everything else, toss it in there. Once you've got everything inside your compost cup, put your Ziploc bag over the top and secure it with the rubber band. Give your compost cup a good shake, and please remember it needs to live in a nice sunny location. We're going to keep ours on the border of the flower bed here because it gets at least 6 to 8 hours of sun, but you may also keep yours inside on a sunny windowsill. We dug out a row along the back of the garden for our sunflower seeds. I like to plant the sunflowers in the back because they grow so much taller than the rest of my flowers and plants. They make a great border. They look beautiful. Your seeds only need to go a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch deep in the ground, but they do need to be at least 6 inches apart from each other. So make sure you have at least a 6-inch width between your sunflower seeds when you plant. So these sunflowers I planted just about 2 weeks ago, and you can see that they've already sprouted and are starting to grow nicely. These ones are about 3 inches off the ground, and I cannot wait to see them just grow taller and taller. Please, you guys, remember to share photos of your sunflowers as they start to grow on the library Facebook page. I just wanted to say thank you for watching, and I hope that you guys had fun. I want to remind you to pick up your grab and go kits at any of our libraries. The grab and go kits include everything you need for making the compost cup, and it has all of your flower seeds that we're going to plant together this month. Thanks for watching.